Hello students, welcome back once again. So here our subject is corporate accounting and the unit 1, that is issue and forfeiture of shares. We have already covered 9 parts under this unit. So in this video we are going to solve a practical problem on issue of shares at par with under subscription. In my previous videos we have covered issue of shares at par with full subscription and also issue of shares at premium with full subscription. So this video is basically based on under subscription. So what is under subscription we have discussed in our previous video, so you can watch that. See the example. Dhanashri Company Limited invited applications for 12,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each payable. So here 100 is face value and company is inviting 12,000 equity shares. So here rupees 30 on application, rupees 50 on allotment and rupees 20 on the first and final call. So if we add these 30, 50 and 20, it will be 100, means it is issuing at par. Okay, here issue of shares at par. Next, applications were received for 10,000 shares. See here, this one is the important here. Company here invited applications 12,000 but company received 10,000 shares, means it is the less than 12,000. Because of that it come under subscriptions. Okay, the shares were allotted to all the applicants. The company received all the amounts due on each call. If you are an accountant of the transactions. So this is the problem based on issue of shares at par with under subscriptions. So see here, shares issued 12,000 and applications received are 10,000, means it is the less than issued. In that case we can say it is under subscriptions. Here is the important note, when number of shares applied. Okay, here important note, when number of shares applied, okay, here applied how much, 12,000, is less than the number of shares issued. Okay, here number of shares applied means here 10,000 and issued is 12,000, less the number of shares applied is considered while doing the entries. Means this point is saying here, see here, company invited 12,000 equity shares and it received 10,000 equity shares. So while doing the journal entries we have to consider this 10,000 amount. See here, while doing the journal entries we have to consider this 10,000 amount instead of 12,000, because here company is under the situation of, because it is receiving less applications, because of that we have to consider this 10,000 amount instead of this 12,000 while doing the journal entries. Okay, so see the solution. Journal entries will be same here, but only one point is different here. That one is we are taking this received amount here instead of 12,000. Remaining things are same. The first one, first under applications, that is first received entry, after that transferring entry. Under allotment, the first is transferring, after that receiving entry. Under calls, first transferring and after that receiving entries. The entries will be remain same, nothing will be changed here. See here, bank account debit to equity share application account. The amount is here 3 lakh. See here, on application 30 and applications were received for 10,000. Make the multiplication, 10,000 into 30, that will be 3 lakh. Okay, then transferring entry, equity share application account debit to equity share capital account money. The amount is 3 lakh, same amount will be transferred to capital account. The next under allotment, first one is the transferring entry, that is equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. The amount is here 5 lakh. So see the amount, 10,000 into allotment rupees 50. Make the multiplications, 10,000 into 50, that is 5 lakh. And same under received, that is bank account debit to equity share allotment account, same amount will be received here, that is the 5 lakh. Under calls, that is first transferring entry, equity share first and final call account debit to equity share capital account. The amount is here 20 on first and final call, that is rupees 20 into 10,000, that will be 2 lakh. Okay, and last entry, that is received bank account debit to equity share first and final call account, the amount is 2 lakh. So these are the general entries which are related to issue of shares at par with under subscription. If you have any query, you can ask me in comment box. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and also comment. Thank you.